Hello friends, welcome to my Tut Comparison channel. Today we are going to learn average. In this video, how to find average of any continuous function such as trigonometric function, any algebraic function which is continuous. To find average of any continuous function is by using integration. Integration is use one of the application to find an average. Now we learn that to find average of any continuous function. First we see trigonometric functions: sin x, cos x, sin square x, cos square x. Now first see sin x. First check the sin x is continuous or discrete function. Now by this graph we see that sin x is continuous function. For we know that how to find average. Average value is calculated by individual value divided by total value. For solving average, we take for solving any continuous function of average, we take 2 point on continuous function. We take 0 to pi, 0 and pi. Positive domain of sin x 0 to pi. I will take, you can take 0 to pi by 2, 0 to 2 pi, minus pi to pi by 2, or minus pi to pi. Now average equal to integration of sin x dx from 0 to pi, now divided by pi minus 0. Why I am writing pi minus 0? Because total value equal to final value minus initial value to get total value. Now integration of sin x, we get minus cos x. Sin x integration is minus cos x. Minus cos x 0 to pi divided by pi. Now solving, putting the value of cos pi minus cos 0 minus value cos pi minus 1 and cos 0 1. So minus 1 plus and minus 1 plus divided by pi, divided by here pi. Now equal to 2 by pi, which is roughly equal to 1. Hence the average value or mean value of sin x is 1. Now cos x, we see that cos, similarly as we have done sin x, we also solve this for cos x. Cos x is continuous function. You can see this graph, this is continuous function. Now to domain of cos x is 0 to pi by 2. We saw what to do for solving any continuous function. Takes 2 points. I will take 0 and pi by 2. We know that average equal to individual value divided by total value. Now average of cos dx from 0 to pi by 2 divided by pi by 2 minus 0. Why I am writing pi by 2 minus 0? Because total value equal to final value minus initial value. Now integration of cos dx is minus sin x from 0 to pi by 2 divided by pi by 2. Now when integrating cos x dx, we get minus sin x of integration of cos x dx. Now from 0 to pi by divided by pi by 2. Now putting the value of pi by 2, sin pi by 2 minus sin 0 divided by pi by 2. Sin pi by 2 equal to 1 and sin 0 equal to 0. 1 by pi by 2, then 2 is getting up and 2 by pi, which is roughly equal to 1. Hence the average value of cos x or mean value of cos x is 1. Now similarly for sin square x, if sin x is continuous, then its square is also continuous. So sin square x is continuous. Domain is 0 to pi. We take 2 points for what to do for solving any continuous function to average. We take 2 point on any continuous function. I will take 0 to pi by 2. We know that average value equal to individual value divided by total value. Now average equal to definite integration of sin square x dx from 0 to pi by 2 divided by pi by 2 minus 0. Why I am writing pi by 2 minus 0? Because total value equal to final value minus initial value. Now as we know that 2 sin square x equal to minus 1 minus cos 2x. We know that sin square cannot be integrated by directly, so we can put this formula, substitute the formula instead of sin square x in the integration. So we use this formula 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Now after substituting 2 sin square x equal to 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2x instead of sin square, we put the way now integral becomes 1 by 2 1 into 1 minus cos 2x dx from 0 to pi by 2 divided by pi by 2. Now 1 by 2 comes outside. Now it's go to the 2 denominator, then 2 got cancelled. Now remaining denominator is pi. Now integration is 1 minus cos 2x dx x from 0 to pi by 2 divided by pi. Now now x minus now after integrating this value we get 1 integration dx integration x and cos 2x integration sin 2x divided by 2 minus is minus, and now it's 0 to pi by 2. Now solving this is pi by 2 minus sin and 2x by 2 equal to sin pi by 2. It's when putting the pi by 2 in sin 2x, then it's becomes sin pi. Now divided by 2. Now minus bracket pi by 2. Now sorry here is wrong. Now here is putting 0. Now here is putting 0. It's become 0 and 0 is 0, and here it's sin pi equal to 0. Now pi by 2 divided by pi. Now pi got cancels, and remaining is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So the average value of sin square x dx is 1 by